Now let us know about percentage composition. Percentage composition of a compound means the percentage of all the elements present in a given compound. The percentage of any element in a compound is the mass of that element in 100 parts by mass of the compound. The formula to calculate percentage composition of an element is equal to mass of that element in the compound into 100 divided by molar mass of the compound. Calculate the percentage composition of hydrogen and oxygen in water. First we need to calculate molar mass of water, which is equal to 18.02 gram. Then we have to calculate mass percentage of hydrogen, which is equal to 2 into 1.008 into 100 divided by 18.02, which is equal to 11.18%. Similarly, mass percent of oxygen is equal to molar mass of oxygen, that is 16 gram, into 100 divided by molar mass of the compound, which is equal to 18 gram, which finally becomes equal to 88.79%. What is the percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in ethanol? Molecular formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. Molar mass of ethanol is equal to 2 carbon atoms into its atomic mass, that is 12.01, plus 6 hydrogen atoms, and its atomic mass is 1.008 plus 16, which is the atomic mass of oxygen. Finally, we get molar mass of ethanol as 46.068 gram. To calculate mass percent of carbon, that is equal to 24.02 gram into 100 divided by 46.068 gram, which is equal to 52.14%. Mass percent of hydrogen is equal to 6.048 gram into 100 divided by 46.068 gram, which is equal to 13.13%. Mass percent of oxygen is equal to 16 into 100 divided by 46.068, which is equal to 34.73%. Now about stoichiometry. The word stoichiometry is derived from two Greek words, stoichion meaning element and metron meaning measure. Stoichiometry deals with the calculation of masses or volumes of the reactants and the products involved in a chemical reaction. The combustion of methane, a balanced equation for this combustion is CH4 reacts with 2O2 to give CO2 plus 2H2O. Here, methane and oxygen are called reactants and carbon dioxide and water are called products. All the reactants and the products are gases in the above reaction and shown by symbol small g. In the case of solids and liquids, small s and small l are written respectively. The coefficients 2 for oxygen and H2O are called stoichiometric coefficients. The coefficient for CH4 and CO2 is 1 in each case. They represent the number of molecules and moles as well taking part in the reaction or formed in the reaction. Thus, according to the above chemical reaction, 1 mole of CH4 reacts with 2 moles of O2 to give 1 mole of CO2 and 2 moles of H2O. 1 molecule of CH4 reacts with 2 molecules of O2 to give 1 molecule of carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of H2O. 22.7 liter of CH4 reacts with 45.4 liter of oxygen to give 22.7 liter of CO2 and 45.4 liter of H2O. 16 gram of CH4 reacts with 2 into 32 gram of O2 to give 44 gram of CO2 and 2 into 18 gram of H2O. Let us know about limiting reagent. It is the reagent or reactant which is present in the lesser amount, gets consumed after some time, and after that no further reaction takes place, whatever be the amount of the other reactant present. Hence, the reactant which gets consumed limits the amount of the product formed and is therefore called limiting reagent.